A4 visa. What is an A4 visa? This is what I will be explaining today. An A4 visa is basically a dependent visa. It's a dependent visa to an A2 student visa or to an A3 clergy visa. Both these visas are considered important visas in Israel. An A2 visa is an important visa because in most countries, when you have an academic institution, the country is proud of its academic institution. Most countries want to make sure they have very popular academic institutions, and the more demand this academic institution has around the world for students to study in their academic institution, that usually means that this is a popular academic institution and that their degree is valuable internationally afterwards in the marketplace. So Israel, just like other countries, wants to encourage their academic institutions to be as high quality as possible. Therefore, and among others, an A2 visa and a student that comes here, the student will be able to bring his spouse and children, and the spouse and children will get A4 dependent visas. Another way to get an A4, as I said, is for an A3 clergy. Israel has many religious institutions. Israel has many religious buildings and monasteries and churches. Some that have been in Israel for almost 2,000 years and existed here during all the different changes of regimes in this territory. And Israel naturally needs to respect all these religious institutions and churches and whatnot that exist. And if a clergy has a spouse and children, not all clergies, especially in the Christian religion, not all clergies do, but if a clergy does have, then the clergy is able to bring his spouse and children on an A4 dependent visa. When do problems sometimes arise? Situations arise, for example, when there's a family and the family, let's say, has 3 children, and one of the children now finishes high school, but the relevant parent on the A3 or A2 visa didn't yet finish his mission or didn't finish his PhD if he's a student, and then the child finishes high school and reaches age 18. So on the face of things, technically, his A4 visa should expire and he isn't entitled to one anymore. But practically and essentially, he's still dependent on his parents, and he still wants to live with his parents and with his family. So in situations like this, our office finds pragmatic solutions. We contact the Interior Ministry, we explain the situation, and we usually do find some type of visa for these special situations. In any case, if you have any more questions about this matter, you can feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to be of assistance.